Hi, welcome to Last Snack. We specialize in tasty gluten-free mixtures. We have carefully selected high-quality raw ingredients so that you can enjoy tasty pancakes, daily bread, ravioli and dumplings. Our mixtures does not contain any added soy, sugar or wheat starch. Today, we'll be making pancakes and crepes. So let's get to it. We're starting with crepes. To make our crepe recipe, you'll need 100 grams of the gluten-free mixture, 2 eggs, and approximately 80 milliliters milk of your choice. We decided to opt in for standard milk. To make the pancakes or crepes, you'll need a stand mixer or electric hand mixer, or go old school with a hand mixer. So firstly we'll add milk and eggs. Mix it together. Once the eggs and milk are mixed, we need to add our gluten-free mix. That's how the mixture should look. This will make approximately 5 thin pancakes. Next, you need to warm up your frying pan and add a small amount of oil.